mind-blowing new technologies that will change the future. Every day, it feels as if we are currently living in the future, from the 5G connectivity to the accessibility of self-driving automobiles. The future is bright. Artificial intelligence, for example, will be present in our lives and will play an essential role in humanity's future. In today's video, we are going to take a look at some mind-blowing technologies that will change the future. So fasten your seatbelts and let's get into the video. Number 10. Voice assistants. For a long time, the little voices in our devices that let us set an alarm or create a list of reminders seem to have been a part of our life. These small women and men's voices in modern technology have become reliable means of completing tasks. But what if we told you that things are now only going to get better from here? Consider that for a moment. In a few years, a number of American families will have at least one sort of voice assistants in their home, such as Amazon Alexa and even Apple HomePod. With large prominent tech business glamorizing such technology, it will only become more pervasive in our daily lives. According to reports, voice assistants will become increasingly smarter in the coming years, potentially displacing the need for devices such as laptops and keyboards. Instead, you can certainly talk to a device and a paper will be written entirely from your voice, and that is fantastic. Number 9. Gene splicing. One of the most frequently discussed topics is the cure for weakening and life-threatening diseases such as cancer. Consider a world where those diseases could be healed with a single treatment. CRISPR-Cas9, aka clustered frequently interspaced short palindromic repeats, is a gene splicing tech that works to find and remove mutated parts of human DNA. Because of the chances for permanently removing certain types of genetic illness from bloodlines, accepting people who get these genetic defects to bear their own kids without the fear of transferring along with their own genetic disease. Number 8. Mixed reality. In the form of games, we have previously encountered augmented reality. This technology allows an individual to transport to any environment or setting that they want, altering your visual reality for a brief period of time and making the experiences all the more realistic. With tech giants such as Apple putting millions of dollars into increased and mixed reality hardware, this technology is becoming increasingly popular. All speculations lead to a world where visual as well as other central truths are becoming a part of one's everyday life, from walls that change into screens like some of those portrayed in old Disney movies, smart houses. Whether that thrills one out or not, it's a clear probability that it may soon find its way into our lives. Number 7. Regenerative medicine. Despite the fact that it sounds like a weird possibility seen only in vampire movies or shows, regeneration medicine is a real possibility that is starting to make its way into the world of Western medicine. Doctors are already creating custom body parts at this point. We are aware of this, and they do this miraculous procedure by scrapping cells from a body area and growing them into new cells inside a petri dish. The body part eventually becomes hard enough to still be implanted within patients, no matter if this sounds like a medical fantasy or like some kind of cyborg, Hulk-type human sooner or later. It will eventually become a way of life. Here's an interesting thing if you didn't know. One doctor even succeeded in growing a new fresh human ear for transplantation onto the back of a mouse. Number 6. Fully autonomous vehicles. Driving is a part of life that is not going anywhere anytime soon. We really do need to get from A to B. Car manufacturers such as Tesla, GM, and Volvo have all popularized the idea of self-driving cars. But it's only useful in highway locations and every 10-second heads-up attention from such a real-life driver. But that will soon change, as General Motors has declared that a car without a steering wheel or even pedals would be released soon. All of this brings us back to the matter of chauffeuring. We all require the services of a taxi or an Uber from time to time. However, those will soon be autonomous, making it feel like you are riding on a train through the streets rather than in a car. Number 5. Digital wallet. You have probably heard of cryptocurrency, which is the digitized form of money that now has grown in popularity as a result of the rapid rise of Bitcoin, which is now worth tens of thousands of dollars for a single coin. But you haven't heard that in the near future, they may become not just a major part of our life, but also our common means of payment. Perhaps countries are jumping on the digital wallet bandwagon, allowing their citizens to dwell in a cashless community. No matter how much we like or dislike the idea, it is just a matter of time before that becomes the only method of payment available everywhere. Number 4. Artificial intelligence. This one is both thrilling and terrifying at the same time. In addition, artificial intelligence has been the subject of many movies, where it becomes even more intelligent than humans and in due course takes over the world. Take the movie The Matrix. However, there are some practical applications for artificial intelligence, ranging from automated takeout servers to automatic bars and a variety of other applications. It's probably safer to expect that artificial intelligence would eventually lead to mundane stuff like that, rather than robot doctors and lawyers. That would have been completely insane and terrifying. And then there's the fact that Saudi Arabia recently granted citizenship to Sophia, a social humanoid robot, making her the first robot to ever be granted citizenship in any country on this planet. So perhaps it isn't so outlandish after all. Number 3. Automation. In order to better serve the audiences and even minimize the production costs, the top tech giants are turning to automation. Whether it's automated warehouse workers producing cars or credit card businesses using software to identify frauds. There's really no shortage of automation options since nowadays anything could be automated. The greater the level of automation, less the human intervention is needed to manage the process. So, when everything is automated, how will the work look? Basically, there are two options. Either the doomsday scenario in which humans were also rendered obsolete, or perhaps the realistic scenario in which robots perform all the tasks that we don't want to do, allowing us to relax and enjoy our life. In any case, there's no doubt that the working days will be drastically changed. Number 2. Alive building materials. You wouldn't believe it, but scientists have developed a type of living concrete that is capable of self-healing, which could one day be used in the industrial infrastructure of towns and cities as well. Although it isn't made of concrete, it serves the same purpose. Furthermore, it is far more environmentally friendly. The logistics of all of this are largely unknown. Building structures, on the other hand, appear to be capable of self-repairing cracks, sucking up hazardous chemicals from the air, and sometimes even glowing on command, resulting in some truly spectacular building light shows. That's understandable considering that scientific breakthroughs can take decades to reach the workplace. However, a newer generation of materials is on the way, and they are causing quite a stir in the construction industry. Number 1. Internet for everyone. It's incredible to think that while we live in developed countries with access to the internet, half of the global population is without the internet. That, however, is about to change. Google is attempting to address this issue by sending internet signals to unreachable regions using their high-tech probes and satellite. Companies are even preparing to launch a network of laptop-sized mini-satellites into low Earth orbit to bring the internet to the world's most remote locations. We can anticipate a future in which internet connectivity will always be available everywhere. Bonus: Microchip technology. Microchip technology has already transformed the world in far more ways that we could count, allowing us to pack a powerful punch of computer power into our hands and carry it around with us wherever we go. However, this type of technology still has a long way to go. Elon Musk, for example, recently unveiled Gertrude, a pig with just a coin-sized computer chip that can be implanted in people's brain, in order to show them aspiring plans to build a functional brain-machine interface known as a Neuralink. The interface, according to Elon, could allow patients with neurological disorders to use their minds to control phones and computers. However, Musk's long-term goal is to usher in an era of superhuman cognition, and that is pretty fantastic. What innovative technologies are you looking forward to in the future?